Assalamu alaikum students, hope you are fine. It's my lecture number 5 with you. Today we are going to start week number 8. So open your book, page number 46. Here the concept of subtraction of 4 digit is given. I am going to give you the concept how you subtract 4 digit number from a 4 digit number. Then you have to solve exercise 2b question number 4 on your book by yourself. Okay, still if you find any problem while solving the question you can ask me. Okay, the rule is same while solving. Here in the if you see that they are saying that starting from the right, subtract the number in the ones column first, then the tens, then 100, then 1000 in the 10. Here they are giving us two 4 digit number. One is 2469 and the second number is 1042. You have to subtract 142 from 2469. Okay, starting from one place, from 9 subtract 2, draw 9 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Subtract 2 lines, count the remaining lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So here I am writing 7 in the difference of while when I subtract 2 from 9. Okay, similarly for 6, draw 6 lines, 1 2 3 4 5 6. उसमें से क्या आपने सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? 4. ड्रॉ 4 लाइन्स, 1 2 3 4. काउंट द रिमेनिंग. 2 लाइन्स बचती हैं, 2 लाइन्स. सो आई एम राइटिंग 2 इन द टेंस प्लेस. ओके, नाउ फॉर 100, 4 में से जब हम 0 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो जब भी किसी वैल्यू में से 0 सब्ट्रैक्ट करें तो वो वैल्यू एज इट इज़ आ जाती है, तो 4 विल कम एज इट इज़. फॉर 2, ड्रॉ 2 lines, subtract 1 line, you will get 1. This is a matter how you subtract. First subtract ones, then subtract tens, then subtract hundreds, and then subtract the thousand. This is the method. You have to follow this method while solving question number 4 on your book. Try to solve question number 4 by yourself. Still if you find any problem you can ask me. Allah Hafiz students.